Friends, this is Anton from Tech Solutions, and today I have odd product for you to review and unbox. So this is the Logitech wireless mouse and keyboard combi pack. The model name of this one is MK-220 from Logitech wireless combo mouse and keyboard, and it has also the rupee symbol on the keyboard itself. And to be honest guys, I have used this for around 2 months before, so I'm making this unboxing review for your viewing pleasure only. Otherwise I didn't make these kind of videos at all. If you are following my channel, I just review computers and mobile like stuff. So let's don't waste time and let's dig into the box. That, as I have said, that I have actually used that, so the seal are broken, so I didn't make mistake. So let's open this. The first thing you get on the box is the mouse itself. It's a pretty compact mouse. As you can see, I put this in my hand and it is pretty small enough, and there is the left click, right click and the scroll bar, and the scroll effect is pretty good and tactile, and also it's a button also for locking the scrolling. On the back it needs 2 AA batteries, and the batteries are pre-attached. So here is the laser thing to do motion controlling this mouse. So it's a pretty natural mouse, not a pretty high-end gaming mouse. It's a normal mouse for your office and home uses, most preferably home uses, because office should use that wired mouse preferably. These are pretty good. I have actually used that, and the range of this mouse and keyboard is exceptional. You can get the range from your neighborhood also. So let's see what else do we get. So this is the small receiver for the combi pack, and you have to just attach this USB pen drive like thing to, this is actually Bluetooth receiver, to your computer, and your computer should detect that and it will be start within a second, and you can use this keyboard and mouse pretty well. And this works pretty well for me. I've actually played lots of games with this keyboard, and this keyboard didn't fail at all. So it's a pretty long keyboard, so hope you guys can see this keyboard fully. As you can see, it's a pretty tactile keyboard. If I type like pretty fast, it will be nothing to worry about. And there is also these stands for back to a little bit raise for your ergonomics. So let's see what happens if you type a little bit faster. The tactile feedback is awesome in this keyboard. And the battery section is over here. You have to put 2 AAA batteries. Please remember, the mouse accepts AA batteries and the keyboard accepts AAA batteries, the small size ones. So please care about that. And it is pretty easy to lock this up. You have to just press it and locks it. So this is the review, a small review of this keyboard and mouse. Again, the model number is MK-220 by Logitech wireless combo. I will put Flipkart and Amazon link in the description below. And if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, as I have already said, subscribe to my channel and share this video among your friends. Thank you guys, and hope to see you in my next video.